Hello. So what normally do I do if I wait for my turn on set? I read. How are you doing? Ja. Eventjes lunchen, jongens. Okay. Hi guys, today I have a booking and this is a workshop. So I'm very excited because I'm gonna meet a lot of photographers from the Netherlands. So let me show you how the backstage looks like. So this is the makeup station. I'm gonna do makeup by myself. Actually, I've done it already. I just have to retouch a little bit. And this is easy actually, so I don't need to bother any of makeup artists with touch up. So sometimes we do it like this. So I have today two looks. One is golden dress, another one is green glitter. And actually photographer requested maybe we can also shoot me in this just simple blue shirt. So here I'm gonna change. So let me show you how it looks from this side. So this is the castle. We're inside the castle. And if I want to go somewhere to the bathroom, for example, I need to go to the next floor. This is how all buildings in Netherlands look like. See, you have to climb and jump up and down. But it's awesome, cool. Love it. Yeah, see? So this is the dining room, where you're gonna have a dinner after the workshop. Some workshops, they finish without dinner. Some workshops, like today, it's also the network event. So that's why it's being arranged like this. Let me show you the room where the workshop happens. Now it's the photographer Barnd. He's making his speech. He explains the details about light, because today it's all about making the portrait. And some students, they raise questions, and then I'm gonna rock and roll. This is it.
Mooi. Goed mensen, wat we gaan doen, ik heb kijk, we lopen ietsjes uit, het blijkt, want ik had hier al om 11:10 al willen zijn.
So in about half an hour, I need to come over and we're gonna have the first shot, and I will share with you guys the results. Oh yeah, you also can ask me what I'm gonna do within this time. So what normally I do, I check my emails. I remark to some agents if I'm available for shoots or not, or I'm filling some forms for new agencies. What I also do, of course, I drink my tea, and I have some books over here. I'm gonna read it. I use my time wisely, and you? So we just did a casual set, and now it's a gala. So I'm almost ready, and this is my third look. And let's see. By the way, I always bring to workshops my business cards. So this is the way, and I get my network bigger. So don't forget your business cards. I walk on flat shoes. I walk in flat shoes, and I'm gonna change my outfit and give a feedback after workshop to all the photographers. I coach photographers, I give them tips, so I'm very curious what they have shot it with me, because there were 3 looks, 3 different moods, and I want to see it now.
lost our minds in the darkness of night. We live to die. We lose our souls every day. We lost our minds. We don't remember what's wrong and what's right. The world is dead, but we stay. 'Cause we are born as living fights. We live to die. We live to die. And we surrounded by the night. We live to die. We are shadows in the neon light. We are shadows in the neon light. We are shadows in the neon. We are We are just shadows. It's supposed to be that we die. It doesn't matter if there